Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn cornflakes mixture recipe. This is one of the famous Indian mixture recipe and very easy, and the kids love it a lot. Now we'll learn how to prepare it in easy steps. First we'll see the ingredients required. We need cornflakes 3 cups, whole peanuts 1/4 cup, roasted gram dal 1/4 cup, cashews 1/4 cup, badam 1/4 cup, and kismis 1/4 cup. This is very optional. And for spice mixture we need oil 1 tablespoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt as per your taste. Coming to directions to prepare. First heat oil in kadai. And fry the cornflakes in hot oil till crisp and drain. These cornflakes are other cornflakes which we are use in milk. Normally available in stores. And now heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a kadai. Add in curry leaves and cook till they turn crispy. Add in peanuts and roasted gram dal and sat till it turns light golden in color. Now add badam and cashews and sat till they get golden as well. So badam is very optional, that is your choice. All should be fried till golden color. Now remove this to a bowl. Now heat another tablespoon of oil in the same kadai. Add in hing, chili powder, salt and sugar. Keep mixing till the sugar starts to melt. Add very little amount of sugar, but it gives a taste if you add a pinch of sugar. Now add in the nuts and kismis. Sat this for 2 minutes. Lot of people don't like sweetness in mixture. Those people can avoid this kismis or sugar in this mixture. And now add in the fried cornflakes and toss well. So as per your taste you can add salt and chili powder. Now cornflakes mixture is very much ready. You can store in a airtight container, or you can serve with your favorite tea in evening time. So this is cornflakes mixture recipe. I hope you like this video and prepare it for your kids and elders, and good for diabetic people also. I hope you try it and keep watching my videos, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.